Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DUST. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link, so if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Well, quite the eventful day on this one, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume. A lot of these ETFs were in the news and headlines and setting off scanners today, and this makes for a very interesting setup heading into the next week. And the first part of the setup is just simply that, and I realize I state the obvious when I say this, but the price has been absolutely just destroyed to the downside. But then after today, the price has actually started to go sideways a bit here. So it went down more, but then went sideways, and that is where this first key level of support comes into play right here at $4, and we'll call it 68 cents. Nothing fancy, nothing complicated here at all, other than the fact of that's literally where the price just finally stopped bleeding today. Now, don't get me wrong, and I wish I could say trading was this easy. Just because the price got beat down and then has now started to go sideways does not mean that for sure guaranteed this is the bottom. My point is, it's at least a rational thought to have. Case in point, let's say that the price, or the chart was still doing this and the price was going straight down, and then I'm sitting here saying, hey, it's looking like this could be the bottom. You'd be totally justified to say, what are you talking about? The price is literally going straight down. But that's not the case here, right? In this set of circumstances, the price has at least started to go sideways. Again, does that mean that this is for sure the bottom? No, but is it at least a rational thought to have? Absolutely. So keep a close eye on, like I said, 468, 467, right around that level of support. If this is indeed going to hold as some sort of support and be the bottom, well, then that level needs to hold. Now, in the event the price does start to work its way back upwards, where are some of these key areas of resistance at? Initial area of resistance to keep an eye on, going to be the top portion of this little miniature channel, right up there at 485. And a 485 can be broken. Next key level after that, right up there around that gap close location at just, well, let's just call it $5 to make. I was going to say 503, but we'll just call it the round number of 5. So there's definitely some nice solid potential there for a bounce and a nice solid bounce. But yeah, we'll see what happens with it next week. But I know I'll be keeping an eye on it, and we'll see how it all plays out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.